Right, viewers, we have breaking news coming in right now. The Assam Assembly has amended its long-standing rule that provides for adjournment on Fridays to allow Muslim members to attend namaz. A big action from Himanta Biswa Sarma government. Once again, viewers, no concessions on Friday for namaz in Assam Assembly. That's the big breaking news that we are getting right now, viewers. The Assam Assembly amended the rule that allows adjournment for namaz. That's the big breaking news. Remember, yesterday also there was the new bill that was passed on the Muslim marriages and divorce bill, and now that was about mandating compulsory registration of Muslim marriages and divorces, abolishing Muslim Marriages and Divorce Act. Now it's another big action by Himanta government, and no more adjournment of assembly because of namaz will be allowed. It's a big message sent out here, and the laws that should be uniform. That's the message that is being sent out consistently by the Himanta Biswa Sarma government in Assam. And yesterday, Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma also said in the assembly that the government aims to do away with the Qazi system as well. This was, of course, in connection with the Muslim marriages, and the bill was passed mandating registration of Muslim marriages and divorces. A Qazi cannot register marriage in Assam anymore, and now a rule that allowed adjournment of the assembly because of namaz on Friday, that too has been now amended. And my colleague Aniruddha is joining us on the phone line for more. Aniruddha, big move, back to back. We have seen yesterday the bill, the Muslim Marriage and Divorce Act, the bill that was passed, and now a rule that allowed adjournment for namaz has also been amended.
Yes, this is a major move by the Assam Legislative Assembly. This practice was on since 1937. Since 1937, a special Jumma namaz break was provided so that the member of Legislative Assembly who are from the Islam faith can go to the mosque and offer their namaz. However, today, after a long wait, this rule has been amended. The Rule 11 of the Assam Legislative Assembly Act, which provided this break since 1937, has been amended, and the House has passed this motion. This motion was placed in the House, and we have the official release in this regard, where they have said that history has been created by doing away with this colonial practice, which was aimed at dividing the society on religious basis. Let me tell you that this practice, which was started in 1937, at that point in time, the Muslim League government was in power in Assam, and then Chief Minister, or as it was called at that point in time, the Prime Minister, Said Sadullah, was the one who brought this practice in the assembly.
From Bengal, where, of course, high drama continues to unfold amid the protests, and we have breaking news coming in. First on Republic TV are these visuals of the protests that are underway at Salt Lake City of Kolkata. You can see Mamata's police there, and some civilians, protesters also. You believe there's a reaction coming in, perhaps from the police, or there's a face-off? We don't know yet. But remember, the BJP is also holding its protest at 7-day Dharna. It's day 2 of the Dharna of the BJP. And we have probably a reaction. I think that's coming in. Lockit Chatterjee, remember, has been detained amidst the protest while she was on Dharna. Lockit Chatterjee has been detained once again, in fact, for a second time in 2 days. And security has been beefed up in Kolkata.
We are doing our job.
Lokesh
Please let us
Chatterjee
go.
was
Thank you.
blocked from marching.
Sir, my point is, please allow. Anything has to be briefed. It will be briefed from our superiors. Thank you.
All right, there was a reaction that was being sought from the police. However, there is not any full-fledged or proper statement that has come out from the police yet on Lokesh Chatterjee's detention.
Allow us to do our job. Please let us do our job.